Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to view your saved videos on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to view your saved videos on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app. And over here guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a messenger icon available for us, as well as below that you can see a small your profile picture icon on a circle on a small size, but there is a three-lined icon. Tap over there, that's the menu icon. And over here guys, at the top of the list, just beside the memories, you can see there is the saved option available for us. Tap on that saved option. And over here guys, there are collections as well, and the videos on most recent. Tap on see all. And over here guys, all of your saved items will be available, including your videos and reels. You can see guys, at the top of this video there is a video just below the title, but on the second video the reel option is, or the reel title is available for us. That means guys, the video and reels, whichever you save, will be available over here on the saved items on Facebook. That being said guys, this is how you view your saved videos on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.